Hello friends, you are welcomed at my channel Vibrant SP, and today I shall be presenting one talk on the topic Digital India. As we are in 21st century, so things are changing very rapidly, and in the phase of advancement, many things are technologically much advanced as compared to the previous time. As we are having e-trading and e-commerce, and many things we are performing digitally, maybe any sphere, education, medical, defense, or business, or other professions like legal, you will find that many things are just performed on the digital platform. So this is just adding to our efficiency, and that facilitates our overall functioning. But as each coin has two sides, we are having some restrictions also, that our country is a very huge country and the situations vary from place to place. So as far as availability and that of data and connectivity is concerned, we are facing some problem. As in the COVID time, the schools are conducting their online classes and students are studying in the digital mode. Teachers are imparting their lessons through online mode, and you will find that many people are just discussing about this feature, that net connectivity is not uniform and homogeneous in all places. You will find that sometimes we get good connectivity and high speed data, but sometimes that dumps and that creates problem for the learner. And it is not only in studies, you will find it in banking also, in trading also, in other fields also, that sometimes the net connectivity poses a big issue for the user. So through this talk I would like to discuss the issue, that we have to find out the solution. Actually, we are facing the problem and we are just crying and sitting at home. That is not the solution. What can be done, that we have to think in this line, and government has also to take some corrective measures to correct this situation, to make the dream of making India digital to come true. And this will be only possible if we get the data connectivity and we are able to perform our works digitally. So this is all about today's topic. Please like, share and subscribe Vibrant SP channel. Thanks.